SociSmart Review. Hey, and welcome to my SociSmart Review. I give honest digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in. SociSmart is brought to you by Cindy Donovan, who is also the creator of SociGem and many other high-quality software products. So the big question is SociSmart really worth your money? I'll tell you if it ticks all the boxes. And if it does, I'll give you some awesome complimentary bonuses you can only get from me today. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. Want to know the details? Please explore it more in my SociSmart review. What is SociSmart? SociSmart is a training system complete with step-by-step 5-day challenge and certification program that makes this all possible. I designed this specifically for newbies to get results fast and see consistent earnings and find their best-suited path quickly, easily, and in a friendly, supportive environment. SociSmart Review also members receive membership dashboard access, exclusive expert-only resources, 5-day challenge videos and PDFs and all replays, cheat sheets and more. Threads is officially the fastest-growing social media platform in history. SociSmart Upsell is your ticket to establish, master and monetize the app and far beyond. Features and benefits. Features. Introducing the SociSmart Academy 5-day certification program, which comprises 14 modules of comprehensive video training, cheat sheets, and valuable resources designed to provide you with the necessary knowledge and tools for Threads. With a collection of templates, checklists, and swipe files, your success will be supercharged. Moreover, you'll have the opportunity to participate in live Q&A sessions and receive expert support, ensuring all your burning questions are answered and gaining invaluable insights. No one will be left behind in this journey of growth and learning. Join a thriving community of like-minded individuals who are on the same path as you. Engage in meaningful discussions, share success stories, and network with fellow members to stay motivated and committed to achieving your goals. Benefits. It will take you less time to learn and research about Threads. You will learn with the today winning strategy for social media marketing. Threads is new, so you can exploit it. How does it work? Here's the members area once you log in. Inside the membership, you get the training, the tool and resources plus the checklist you need to keep in loop for getting viral on Threads. For each module, there will be around 10-15 video lessons for you to learn from. Cindy Donovan will walk you through the process of creating Threads profile and then marketing your profile with Threads. All the video lessons are not too long, and they focuses on the main point about the business, so I can assure you that all the content you learn will be actionable. Every video lessons will come with a PDF file, so this will help you take notice of what you actually learn and will to do the Threads business the correct way. Pricing and upsells. Use the front-end coupon code ACCELERATE to save $2. And use the code ACCELERATE50 to save $50 on the bundle. Front-end offer is the main product SociSmart, which will cost you $17. For the front-end offer, the price you see now is available only during the launch period. After the launch, which ends on the next 7 days since the launch day, price will increase to, as they say. Also, the front-end access doesn't depend on any of the upgrades to work. It works fine just on its own, but it is also limited. Now, there are currently 2 upsells. You don't really need all of them to use SociSmart, but they might come in useful depending on your situation and usage. OTO1, SociSmart Advanced Series. Get ready to elevate your Threads game with a treasure trove of ready-to-use resources. Discover a vast library featuring 100 engaging posts, all done for you and ready to captivate your audience effortlessly. Enrich your content with 100 free gifts, and we'll show you exactly how to use them effectively on Threads. But that's not all. Get ready for an engagement explosion with 100 motivational quotes, specially curated to drive traffic to your offers. Take the stress out of content creation with 20 niche collections, each offering 30 expertly crafted posts, ensuring you have an entire month's worth of DIY content at your disposal. These collections include Threads formatted images, posts, and editable, brandable source files, giving you full control over your content. As an exciting bonus, you'll receive an exclusive ticket to our live Q&A session featuring the renowned Cindy Donovan and our IG Threads Brains Trust. Dive deep into the strategies in real time, and gain invaluable insights as we share the very best techniques live on the call. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to level up your Threads experience and achieve outstanding results. OTO2 SociSmart Bridge Funnels. Option 1. $27 to 3 social media platforms, DFY traffic funnels. Option 2. $47 to 10 social media platforms, DFY traffic funnels. Option 3. $197 editable access to all 10+ agency-level licensing access. Gain access to an exceptional SaaS platform that offers not just 1, but 10 fully branded, hosted, and automated bridge funnels. These powerful funnels work tirelessly to expand your Threads audience, boost your subscriber list, and engage your other social media networks all on complete autopilot. The best part? No more tedious page editing, email writing, or uploading. With this platform, everything is ready to go within just 30 seconds of logging in. It's that simple. But that's not all. You'll also receive a fantastic bonus, an IG Threads funnel. This allows you to grow all your social media audiences while building fully monetized lists. Offer valuable Threads training and earn an additional stream of income effortlessly. And here's the icing on the cake. Option 3 grants you access to an agency dashboard. With this feature, you can create these incredible bridge funnels for your clients, helping them grow their Threads audience, subscriber list, and other social media networks all automatically. And the best part is, you'll take all the credit for the success and sales. So, why wait? Unleash the potential of this SaaS platform and watch your Threads presence soar to new heights. SociSmart Bundle $247. And use the code ACCELERATE50 to save $50 on the bundle. The SociSmart Bundle includes the front-end offer and both OTOs, priced at $247. However, with a $50 discount, the final price of the bundle is $197. Comparing the options, purchasing the SociSmart Bundle for $197 provides the most value. It offers a significant cost savings of $44 compared to buying just the highest-priced OTO, $197, along with the FE, $17. By choosing the SociSmart Bundle, you not only save money but also gain access to all the SociSmart offers in one package. When it comes to pricing, the SociSmart Bundle is the best choice. SociSmart Bundle review: is it worth the hype? Overall, the SociSmart Bundle is a great investment for those looking to boost their social media marketing success. With a comprehensive training system, exclusive resources, and additional income streams, it provides everything one needs to succeed on the Threads social media platform. Moreover, with the discounted price and all the features included, it is definitely worth your investment. Bonuses. Get 230 bonuses worth thousands of dollars now. If you decide to buy SociSmart through my link, click link in description and you will get all the bonuses listed for free. All the bonuses listed down below for my SociSmart review are available only if you buy it through link in description, and are available even if you purchase only the front-end offer. Your download link with my bonuses will be delivered inside your JVZoo dashboard. If you can't find them or you run into an issue, please send me an email at rsprods40@gmail.com, and I will be happy to sort things out for you. So check out my SociSmart bonuses. This bonuses will save you time, money, and help you make the most out of SociSmart. Conclusion. I hope that my SociSmart review can assist you in making a more informed and timely decision. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section of this blog post. Thank you for your time.